opinion, should men marry a Filipina bar girl? Are there any advantages or disadvantages in marrying a bar girl?
I think there's an advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantage is the situation of the girl. Of course, is known on the bar. Most of the guys know her.
I think the disadvantages of that is
In your opinion, should men marry a Filipina bar girl?
It's yes or no. It's a vote for me. Yes.
Why do you think it's both?
Because other bar girls is are not totally a
Like slut, like that.
yes, but they have a behind they had a behind hatang
They have like stories, right?
yes.
Okay.
And they have a stories that you don't know.
Okay, so it's both. Okay. It's like don't judge, right?
For me, don't judge other people that you don't know the book
The
itself.
story.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Anyway, are there any advantages or disadvantages in marrying a bar girl?
Um, the disadvantages, other girls, you can be, you can be cheat.
They could cheat.
They could cheat, and sometimes, um, ay, teka lang.
Okay, bar girl, what is it?
English.
They would cheat and
They would cheat, and they want only money from other guys. Ayan,
like gold diggers.
yes, gold diggers po.
Okay.
Diyan po kasi karamihan yung mga babae ngayon.
Okay. So she also added that mostly those, women, gold diggers and cheaters, they're working in bars, right?
But here in Philippines,
Oh my God. You're
here in Philippines, hindi ka lulukuhin yan, which is, wise lang sila, kundi mamahalin ka nila.
She said, but here in the Philippines, women, bar girls, they're wise. They're gonna love you. They're not gonna cheat on you. Okay. How about the advantages?
Advantages, syempre dyan, minsan ang mga lalaki kasi, minsan nakakahanap sila ng true love. Minsan, kadalasan sa mga bar girl.
Oh.
Medyo relate kasi ako sa, medyo private na yun, pero medyo relate ako sa, from
Okay.
my parents.
So she said that most men, or like there are men that they could find, true love in the bar. In your opinion, should men marry, because you're men, should men marry a Filipina bar girl?
No,
Why?
because I like simple girl.
So for you, it's because you like simple girl.
Yes.
So it's a no. But how about some men? Not you.
Not me.
Paano yung ibang lalaki?
Hindi ko man masabi. I don't like. I can't told.
He said he cannot tell. Okay. But for him, he doesn't want to because he like or he prefer a simple Filipina girl. Okay. Well, we respect that, sir. How about this one? Are there any advantages or disadvantages in marrying a bar girl?
So the disadvantages for the burger is the people judging or what other.
People will judge her. That's the only disadvantage. In your opinion, should men marry a Filipina bar girl?
I think for me, it depends on men po. If they want to, and if they respect the woman, then go.
So it's a yes.
Yes, yes. Why not?
Okay. I know, right? If he really likes her, if he really loves her, why not, right? Okay. How about, are there any advantages or disadvantages in marrying a bar girl?
I think the disadvantages of that is they might judge the girl because they because
Because she is a bar girl.
yes.
Okay. Who do you think will judge her?
I think some people who don't know the woman.
I see. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
Months.
Months. You have like a very pretty face. In your opinion, sir, should men marry a Filipina bar girl?
Yes.
Why do you think so?
I think, adjustment din ano kasi, hindi naman puwede bang Tagalog na?
It's fine.
Kasi hindi naman sa buhay natin, kailangan nasa normal na estado.
So, sir said is because in our lives, it's not like ano ba yung tagaan ng English? Uh,
Kailangan na normal na buhay.
like in our lives, we don't really need a normal life.
Oo.
Okay. Okay. What do you mean by we don't really need a normal life? Like we don't really need a normal Filipina?
Normal stable job. Because not all, hindi naman tayo lahat na grant na makapagtapos sa pag-aaral.
Okay, so sir added that it's because not all they're, granted to finish their studies like that. Okay. So it is a yes for sir. Okay. Okay, I didn't think like that. That was nice. Thank you. Okay. How about are there any advantages or disadvantages in marrying a bar girl?
I think there's an advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantage is the situation of the girl. Of course, she's known on the bar. Most of the guys know her. But
But
the advantages, maybe he's a good character in outside of his job. Maybe.
in your opinion, she's already smiling. Okay, you have a very beautiful smile. I love it. You're welcome. Okay, in your opinion, should men marry a Filipina bar girl?
On my own opinion, no, kasi I'm a Christian. And for a Christian, I'm a Christian and I believe that if you are uh, a woman, you need to respect yourself first.
Okay, so it's a no. Men shouldn't marry a Filipina bar girl. Okay, let's go back to, what you said earlier about respect. Do you think bar girls, they don't respect their themselves?
No naman, pero on my own opinion din naman yan. And for me kasi, I have so much respect in myself. Parang Tagalog. And parang siya, if pag may nakikitang ang mga ibang lalaki, 'di ba? Haba naka sleeveless, yes. Parang nadidisrespect sinda the way magsulot. Pero depende pa din kasi yan sa pag-iling kang tao. Pero on my opinion, may respect din sinda sa sadiri ninda, pero
People tend to judge them. Okay. So she said it's because there are times that when they're wearing like how do you see it, like what do you call it, sleeveless, showing a lot of skin, men tend to like disrespect them. That's why. Okay. But again, she said that that's her opinion.
that's my own.
Okay, that's her own opinion. Okay. For the second question, are there any advantages or disadvantages in marrying a bar girl?
For the advantages, Filipina is beautiful. Yeah. Filipina girl is beautiful, and I believe that. And for the disadvantage, then for me, ang disadvantage masyadong wild. For others, advantage ang wild, pero for me kasi as a
Conservative Filipina.
Filipina. Parang ano siya, wild. Gano'n.
Okay, so for others, it could be advantage that they're wild, but for her, it is a disadvantage. I see. Why? What's gonna happen if they're wild? Like, well,
Parang ano kasi, there's something na mangyayari gano'n.
there's something that might happen like that. You're trying to say like they would cheat, something like that.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, okay. Well, anyway, we respect your, your opinion. You're welcome.
That's my own opinion lang.
Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
7 years, 6 years. Like,
How old are you?
20, turning 20 this December.
And what course are you taking?
Hospitality management.
That's beautiful. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for having this interview with us, even though it's late already. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections